everyone. Today we're going to make a simple and easy cough drop. The ingredients are shredded ginger, lemon, pepper, some wildflower honey or whatever honey you can use, and some sugar. A greased plate with butter or ghee, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's get started. In a pan, we add some ginger, pepper, a spoon of honey, lemon, and 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. We also add a little bit of water. Now we put it on the stove. It's starting to get brown and syrupy. Now you can put it on the greased plate in small drops. Beautiful cough drops will be ready in 5 to 10 minutes to save your throat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.